Hey guys, it's your girl Steph back with 6 simple styles for girls with medium to long locks. For this video, you'll need some ponytail holders, and if you're looking for a clean look, bobby pins. I like to call this first look my bow tie bun. The first thing you'll need to do is take all your locks up into a ponytail. Take your ponytail holder and secure it around 2 times. The first time is to secure your hair into the ponytail, and the second time is to achieve a backwards bun. This bun will leave you with locks in the front of your hair giving off a bang appearance. Take the bun section of your hair on both ends and pull them apart, giving it a bow tie appearance. For those with longer locks, you will take the front part of your hair, the excess dreads, and wrap them around the back of your ponytail holder, tucking it into the back of your bun. For this next look, you'll want to use your fingers and create a part down the middle of your locks, sectioning your hair off to the left and the right side of your head. Take your first ponytail holder and grab the left or the right side of your locks and create a pigtail. Repeat this process on the opposite side. With a mirror, you're going to want to make sure that your pigtails are as tight and as even as you want them to be. You want to take one of your pigtails and begin to roll them into each other and start to wrap them around the pigtail. As you wrap them, you're going to want to take your fingers and tuck the excess locks under the bun, like I'm doing here in the video. You're going to want to make sure you're tucking and rolling at the same time, just to give it a cleaner look. Like I said, you can use the bobby pins. Repeat the process on the opposite side of your head now. Roll the locks into each other and then start to wrap them around the pigtail. Roll and wrap. Once you're done doing that, you're going to want to take your fingers as well and tuck them under that bun. And continue the process until you're satisfied with the way your buns look. you'll want to take your thumb and place it behind your ear, separating the front half of your locks from the back. Take your ponytail holder and secure the front half of your locks into a ponytail. Once that's done and your ponytail is nice and tight, you want to take your locks, wrap, and roll them around the ponytail holder. Now, if you want a cleaner look, you can always grab the bobby pins, but for this video, of course, I'm going to be doing the wrap and tuck method that I used previously. This next look is the classic bun, one of my favorite everyday looks. Now, some people like to use assistants when making their classic buns, like a donut hair ring or a sock. But because of the length of my hair, I won't be using any of those assistants for this video. Once you have your hair in a nice tight ponytail, you want to take your fingers, run them through your locks, and neatly wrap and roll them around your ponytail holder, creating a nice uniformed look. For those with shorter to medium locks, feel free to grab your bobby pins and place them in places where you have dreads sticking out. But as for myself and for this video, I'm going to be doing the roll and tuck method. I'm going to be taking any loose dreads, pulling them, making it a little bit tighter, and tucking them into the bottom of my bun. This fourth look is a very fun and messy bun. I like to call this the peacock bun. This bun is great for those that have multiple colors in their hair because it gives you a chance to display them all. You want to take your locks and loosely pull half of your hair into the ponytail holder, leaving the other half of your locks in the bun. Take the other half of the hanging hair outside of the bun and wrap it around the back of your bun, tucking it into the ponytail holder. This is a messy look, so have fun with it. The sixth and final look requires a little more attention to detail. This look is called the Regal Flat Twist Updo. You want to take your locks from the back of your head and move them to the front of your face. Once your locks are covering your face, you want to create 4 flat twists from the back to the front of your face. Repeat this process till you have all 4 flat twists. Unfortunately for me, I forgot rubber bands, so I have to use one dreadlock, wrapping it around the flat twist, securing it, making sure it doesn't unravel. Okay, now that you have all 4 flat twists, you want to pick the left or the right side of your face, whichever works better for you, and take the first 2 twists, re-wrap them, roll them, and anchor them into the first flat twist. Once you have your first 2 twists secure, you want to grab your third flat twist and secure it around the back half of your head into the first flat twist. You want to repeat the process with the 4th one as well. Some of my ladies with shorter or medium locks are definitely going to need bobby pins. You want this look to be tight, so you want a basket look in the back of your head. You want to make sure that if you are using bobby pins, that you secure them in places that don't stab or irritate your scalp. Now that's it, ladies and gents. 6 simple lock styles for people with medium to long locks. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell to keep up with more videos in the future. Until next time, this is Steph. Bye.